Danny and Lloyd, thanks for joining us on FAW TV. You both made your Wales debuts this evening. Dan, you came on first, so we'll ask a question to you. What was it like?
Yeah, it's a special night for myself and my family. Obviously disappointed we didn't win the game as a group, but I really enjoyed it, and hopefully you can't just settle for one, you've got to kick on now and keep impressing the manager.
In terms of sort of having to wait for that moment, does it make it more special when it actually then does arrive?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, a lot of the boys in there, we've been together since we were in the 16s in the Victory Shield and even before then, so it makes it extra special when you come through the age groups as well. And
a special moment for yourself, Lloyd. Did you enjoy the experience tonight?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, I was obviously on the bench, came on. Johnny said to me that I'd be coming on at 60 minutes, so just preparing my head and warming up well, just to come on and try and make an impact.
And of course, it's always nice to be in front of a home crowd as well. Do you get a sense of the excitement around the ground, sort of when you're out there, or do you get properly into the zone?
Yeah, you don't really notice the crowd as much when you're playing. You're sort of in the zone, like you say, and just focusing on doing what you've got to do on the pitch. You don't really worry about anything else.
And Danny, in terms of the draw tonight, it was good not to lose the game after falling behind. How important do you think it is in terms of the build-up towards Euro 2016?
Yeah, well, these games and the game on Monday, obviously they're in preparation for the summer, so it's the manager's going to have to think about his squad, and who's going to be involved. So it's a chance for all the boys in the dressing room to have a chance and hopefully impress and get on the plane. And
with Chris in charge, do you feel as though there's always a chance for any player coming into the squad? It always seems to be that chance that you can play for Wales.
Yeah, definitely. Well, me and Danny have made our debuts like today, and France is just around the corner, so he's always willing to give a chance. Obviously, being young and stuff, so we just got to come in and impress and just work hard on the training ground and take it into matches.
And do you think it's important for Chris to keep building his squad by sort of bringing on sort of uncapped players? So I think it's important to have the experience, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's experience and it's competition for places all over the pitch then. No one is guaranteed a place on the pitch, let alone in the squad, so it's healthy competition to have.
Brilliant. Thanks for joining us on FAW TV and congratulations.
Thank you very much.